What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new here, hi there. Today I'm going to be talking about 5 reasons why you should buy the iPad 7th Gen in 2020. But before I begin, I'd really appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bell notifications, as it does help out the YouTube algorithm and pushes my content to more people. Anyway, without further delay, let's dive right in. Number 1. Compatibility. The biggest difference between this iPad and its predecessor is its compatibility with Apple's Smart Keyboard. Thanks to the presence of the Smart connector on the side of the iPad 7th Gen, you can quickly attach Smart Keyboard. This is also the cheapest iPad option, where you can use a Smart Keyboard connector as well as the Apple Pencil 1st Gen. Now, I don't have either, which is I'm totally fine by, to be honest, but if you're looking for a computer-like feel that won't break the bank, this iPad will do the job. Number 2. Battery life. So Apple claims about 10 hours of battery life, which would be great, right? And I basically get that. I charge it every other day, which is totally fine by me. Now, I only use this iPad for browsing the web or watching videos, so that's probably the case. I don't really use heavy-based applications. Standby time, however, is awesome. You can let this iPad sit around for like 3-4 days and start using it from where you last left off. I mean, that's really the case with any Apple products. iPhones also have amazing standby time. Even if you're going to use this iPad as your main device when watching videos, browsing the web, or playing games, the battery life won't disappoint. That's pretty much with most Apple products. The standby time is just going to be amazing. Number 3. Hardware and software optimization. So the iPad 7th Gen comes with the Apple A10 Fusion chip, which is the same chip found in the iPhone 7, which came out in 2016. That's almost a 4-year-old chip, but in 2020 it still performs like a beast. And that's why I say optimization. Apple is super good with their own chips. They know how to use their chips, and they know that they will last 3, 4, even 5 years down the road. Now, this iPad runs super smoothly. Yes, no 120 Hz like the iPad Pro, which would have made it even smoother, but 60 Hz on this iPad still gets the job done. iPadOS on this, amazing. I just love how Apple created this iPadOS platform. You're going to be getting a desktop Safari mode, which I personally love. A lot of people like the fact that it's able to read external files. So if you want to plug in like your USB to read photos or to edit videos or whatnot, that's amazing, as well as better multitasking. Number 4, this is an awesome way to enter the Apple ecosystem. You don't need to buy like a $700 iPhone 11 to enter the Apple ecosystem. You don't even need to buy a $450 like iPhone 8 to enter the Apple ecosystem. Yeah, as of the time of this recording, the rumored budget iPhone for $399 is still not out, so just hear me out on this too. This is probably like the cheapest option, $329 for an iPad. It's a friendly user device. You can buy it as a gift for your kids. It has a larger form factor, which is amazing. Like I said, either you can use a computer, you can use it to play games, whatever is good for you. And it's friendly. Remember, Apple is pretty good with maneuvering and navigation. A lot of people use Apple because it's easy to use. Now, some are going to argue that, hey, Android's really easy to use too. And I personally agree with that, but I also agree that Apple is easy to use as well. And like I said, this is cheaper than the new iPhones. Honestly, if anyone is thinking about entering the Apple ecosystem or is just looking for an iPad, this is the best option to go with. And number 5 is a big one, and that's price. So I did quickly mention earlier, but $329 for 32 gigs and $429 for 128 gigs. You can always find these on sale on like Amazon or sometimes on Best Buy or like on B&H Photo and Video. But my point is, these are the cheapest options. 32 gigs. Now, if you're going to use it for editing photos and videos and a little bit more like Call of Duty applications, downloading a bunch of applications, downloading movies, 32 gigs is not enough, so I would go for 128. But if you're just like me, browsing the web and reading a couple news articles and watching some YouTube videos, 32 gigs is perfect. Price, they price this well. It might be a little bit more expensive than other tablets we see nowadays, but remember, this is an iPad, it's Apple, and you're getting what you pay for. You pay $329 and you're getting $329 worth of use. I definitely recommend this for the price. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.